Here's a video on how to change the real name of a compound to its acid nickname. Compounds that start with hydrogen are classified as acids. There are three cases. You can end in "ide," "ate," or "ite." That's your anion, can end in those different types. When your anion ends in "ide," you are just two elements, hydrogen and whatever the element that is ending in "ide," and you become hydro, whatever the name of the element is, ic acid. The second case is I'm hydrogen and my anion ends in "ate." That means usually in this class it's one of your polyatomic oxy-ions off your orange and blue sheet. However, there are some other variations that may also end in "ate," which are polyatomic. When that happens, you end up with the name of your element that is in your anion, ic acid. I have a little rhyme for this, or a little saying for it. I used to be "ate," but now I'm ic because I ate too much. The third case is my ending of my anion ends in "ite." In this case, I become us, O-U-S. The word hydrogen is completely dropped in both of these cases. I'm just the name of the anion element and the us at the ending. I remember this one like you have a disease, like tendinitis or bronchitis or tonsillitis. So "ite" goes with us. So let's give it a try and do some real names to nicknames. On this worksheet, they have given me some formulas. So to be able to write the acid name, I really need to come up with the real name for that. Of course, everybody's real name for this will start with the word hydrogen. And in this one, I am CO3. That is one of our polyatomic oxy-ions. It is carbonate. Know your polyatomic oxy-ions. That is hydrogen carbonate. If my ending is "ate," I used to be "ate," but now I'm ic because I ate too much. Makes me carbonic acid. Now let's give another one a try. This is just two elements, hydrogen and sulfur, so that would make me hydrogen sulfide. If I'm the "ide" variety, then I get hydro. I keep the first part of this, which is sulfur and ic, sulfuric, and acid. So I am hydrosulfuric acid. Now let's try another one. This is H2SO3. First of all, I'm hydrogen, and this is sulfite, S-U-L-F-I-T-E, sulfite, because that has the lesser of the two amounts of oxygen, so the "ates" are 4 and the "ites" are 3. If I'm "ite," that's "ite-us," so that's sulfurous acid. Okay? So that, as you can see, is how you change the real name over to an acid name. It's really important that you know how to name to be able to do that.